15, 2022. This one I got a call from a guy. He says he had a problem with his well tank. The relief valve was leaking. So he watched me on YouTube, went and bought another relief valve for it. Put a new relief valve on it, still having problems. So it's probably the pressure switch, or the nipple coming off the pressure switch is blocked. So we're gonna go over there and he's calling me in a flipping panic. Said he watched me on YouTube, but he tried to fix it and he's still having problems. So I'm gonna go by there and see if I can bail out his sorry ass. Anyway, we'll go over there. I worked for this guy before. I think what did I do over there? I think I worked on his boiler last year. I told him what the problem is. Probably the switch. Probably the nipple's full of dirt, rust or something. Not sensing the switch isn't sensing it, right? So we'll have to go take it apart and see if the nipple's dirty. Miss Molly, you can get a 75 or 100 PSI. He went with a 75. We should be fine. Well, let's go by and see if we can help him out, Miss Molly. Oh yeah, he's in trouble, Miss Molly. He's calling me in a panic. He's got no water. Told him I go by there in the morning. He says, "Oh, I got no water." I said, "All right, I'll go by there now." Might make for a good video. Might make for a good video. Oh man, next level.
I don't think there's nothing wrong there.
So you changed the relief valve and it's still leaking.
Right.
It's probably this nipple here that's full of shit. You got that draining into the toilet?
No, I put it outside.
The hose?
Yeah.
You got it out going outside?
Yeah.
Alright, so the power's off to it, right? You said the breaker's off?
Yeah. 18 and 20.
What a flipping shit show. Is the hose outside? Does it? Yeah, go ahead. Put the hose outside and I'll get the rest. Will it reach? Alright. Alright?
Yeah.
I think it's this nipple that's blocked. We're gonna see. Power should be off. Just double check it. The 2 blacks on one side and the 2 whites on the other. What's the dog's name?
Oh, Toby.
Toby?
Yeah.
Yeah, power's off. Just want to double check because I don't want to get zapped.
Yeah, since you worked on the heater, it's working fine. I don't know issues.
No issues on the heater?
No.
Well, that's good.
You replaced the thermostat. Maybe that was one of the problems too.
The thermostat, and then I think I did the relief valve or something like that too, didn't I?
Yeah. And that tank up there.
Oh. Yeah, Miss Molly. Alright, so the power's off. We gotta disconnect all these wires. Black on one side and white on the other. It's probably that nipple coming up that's blocked.
Could be anything, right?
That's most likely what it is.
I bought this house in 99, and this tank was already here when they built the house. So, never been touched. So,
Yeah.
all these years accumulated stuff inside.
We gotta get this wiring out of here so we can spin the switch off. Guaranteed that's what it is.
Mm-hmm.
Guaranteed. At least you tried to fix it, right?
No, not that thing. Yeah, I just it was leaking on this old one was leaking, so I said that. I will look at. I went on TV and I look at the way you change the same thing. So I did it myself. It didn't work.
No.
When I opened the water, the valve, the pressure was too high or something. And the water
Yeah,
was
it's
coming right out.
probably not shutting off. So we'll find out right now if that's the problem. We'll find out right now. Because this senses the water pressure through that nipple. And if that nipple gets full of stuff,
Or from the well,
from rust,
yeah,
it won't shut the switch off, right?
probably.
That's what it does. We'll find out right now.
If we have to replace that, we'll replace that. It's all.
Yep, that's what it is. Look at the shit in there.
Oh my
See it?
God. That's why the water wasn't working.
Yeah, it's got all kinds of shit in there. See it?
Yeah, it's 20 years. 20 years. You know where the stuff inside that little pipe.
She's blocked. So we should be able to clean this out.
I'll watch TV, but I didn't watch that part.
She's blocked. See it?
Oh my.
Oh yeah, she's flipping blocked. Wow.
Solid.
She's solid. Wow. Wow. Should work now. Clean now. That was a lot of shit in there, guy.
Wow.
So it wasn't sensing it, right? You know what I'm saying?
Right. Because last night my wife came in here to get something and she saw all kinds of water on the floor from the valve there. If you think that one is really dirty, you can.
Nah, it should be fine. We'll see. We'll see if it works. Why change it if it's still good?
Right.
Right?
How long did the tank last?
Well, I mean,
Depends, right? This thing must be over 20 years old.
probably.
Because when I bought the house was built in 98, I bought it in 99, and the tank was already here.
So what happens is when the thing runs, the water pressure comes up and turns the switch on or off, right?
Maybe that's what it wasn't shutting
And
it
it was
off, 'cause
blocked.
it was
You
blocked.
seen it. You seen it was blocked. Really, big time blocked. Well, it's no big. This should work fine now. Now it can sense the pressure and shut it off. Before it was blocked, and it was saying, "Well, we ain't got no pressure, so let's run the pump." But the pump was running, and it wasn't shutting the switch off because it was full.
It was blowing right out.
It was full.
The valve.
Full of stuff. Full of chooch.
How long have you been having the dog?
Huh?
How long you have that little dog? You got it.
Mine? It's gonna be 4 in June. So I've had her almost 4 years, yeah. It's my little buddy.
Oh, I got that one in November.
Yeah, I remember when I came here, it was a little puppy, right?
The puppy, yeah.
Yeah.
Not anymore. He's growing a little bit.
Nothing wrong with having a dog around.
Oh yeah, he loves my wife. My God, when she gets home, he jumps all over her.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Was she still working, your wife?
No, she went to see her brother. Her brother had a surgery.
Oh, great.
No, she's retired.
You like being retired?
Oh, I love it.
You like it?
Oh, nice.
I'm surprised you don't go to Florida.
I just came down. I just came from Florida.
Oh, so you go back and forth?
No, I went to Disney. Me and the wife and the kids.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we were there for a week.
Oh. How'd you like it there?
Oh, I loved it.
Yeah?
I tried to move down there, but the wife, the grandchild is the one.
Oh, she don't want to go?
No, because of the kids.
Oh, go there for the winter.
That's true.
Go there for the winter and come back. That's all I'm thinking about doing.
I'm thinking sell the house in Fall River, you know, my 3-deck, and buy one in Florida.
Oh, really?
Why
Just
not?
go there for the winter time. No?
Yeah.
Be nice. Go there, be a snowbird. What do you think?
This when I went down to the resort at University Studio, I was there for a whole week. Man, it's beautiful compared to here. It was 80 degrees all the time, all week, right? I come in here, I got snow.
Yeah, well, it's no good down there in the summertime. Too flipping hot. Nice in the winter, but that's about it, you know.
Yeah, well, we went in February, beginning of February.
Yeah, in the winter you go there. I mean, you don't want to go there in the summertime. They say. Say it's
The
shitty.
weather was all week was 80, 85 all week.
Yeah, in the winter.
Right.
Not in the summer.
The summer we come down here.
Yeah, summer you come here. That'd be the way to go. You were smart. Be a snowbird. The problem is everybody's doing it, so it's getting really crowded down there.
Not only that, the price of the houses over there has changed much.
They gone way up.
Oh, yeah.
Years ago, they used to be cheap.
Yeah. My buddy Joe, he's a real estate. He bought a house in Hollywood, down Florida. He says he paid like $65,000. Now it's worth $300 or $400.
Wow, went way up, huh?
Yeah.
So they getting big prices for them now?
Oh yeah, my niece she bought one she just moved down there a month ago. She bought a brand new home. She paid almost $400,000.
400?
Yeah.
Whereabouts?
Cape Coral.
Nice house?
Yeah, it's brand new home.
Brand new.
Yeah.
Blocks going this side. 2 blocks on this side. And then 2 whites on this side. Ain't rocket science, guy.
I didn't know that was a problem.
Well, I kind of told you over the phone what it probably was.
Yeah. At least we get the job. We got it.
All right, and that gauge works, you said?
That's brand new.
Brand new gauge?
That's what
All right, so go ahead and turn it on. Turn the power on.
got it.
Let's see how much it should shut off. Probably about 60. This is pumping up. Should shut off around 60. I don't know what that switch was. It's a 30-50 switch, so it should shut off at 50.
Oh, each one's got a different one.
That's what it says on it. It says, so it should shut off around 50. Might be a bad switch. Just keep them going. She's shutting off at 60. Alright, then we'll drain it down. Still drain. This hose goes outside. Yeah. And it should kick on around 40.
I got the catch things outside of the yard, so the water goes right in there.
Should kick on about 40. Alright, kicked in around 38. Should pump up to about 58 and shut off. Somebody's played around with the pressure on it, but
I never touched that part. And those things, I don't know. I don't touch it.
It should pump up to about 60, 58 and shut off, so that's fine. It's working the way it should now. Now it's the switch is working. Okay, there you go. Just have to pick up my stuff and you're good to go. Seems to be working fine, the diaphragm and everything. This isn't the original tank, guy.
It is.
You think so?
Yeah, I bought the house in '99. The tank was already here. I never replaced the tank.